Hey, what's up people, don't stop jajan. Kali ini kita bakal ngebahas kuliner asli Jakarta atau Betawi yang diimpor langsung ke dalam tanah Dewata atau Pulau Dewata Bali ini ya guys. Oh ya people, don't stop jajan. Kali ini kebetulan gue temenin sama James, teman gue dari United Kingdom yang kebetulan menetap di Australia. Nah sekarang biarin aja dia yang bakal nge-review untuk sate kambing, gulai, sop, dan tongsengnya.
I've just come off the plane. Thought I'd come for some satay at Warung Muslim Cafe. And they have 3 amazing curries here, all with coconut milk, no ghee, really healthy. Satay as well, cooked on the grill here at the front. They've got some rice cakes.